Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Oba Priska Ogadema by name, aka Asa Mama. I'm here to show you and also present how to prepare okra soup with ogbonu. You can see the ingredients, all are here for the preparation. You can see this one is the stockfish, all the fish like dry fish, tilapia fish, which is called umbasa crayfish, and some ingredients of fish that are supposed to use and cook the soup. This is the onions, this is the okra, this one is the red oil. You can see the salt, see the vegetable, onions, tilapia and pepper. This one is the ogbonu and crayfish, which is well grounded. Now watch and see how I'm preparing the okra soup with ogbonu. Thanks. You first of all, you pour your oil, you put your pot on the fire. Make sure that the pot is well dry before you pour your oil. You allow the oil to heat small so that it will change taste. When the oil has hot, you put it a little salt so that it will not make noise when you are cooking it. You put your what? Onions. This is the onions. You allow it to heat. Now you can now pour your ogbonu that is well grounded with crayfish. Look at it. You melt it.
Fire off though.
Why I'm turning it is to melt it so that it will not be in bubble form. It will be in a separate way and also smooth. You keep on turning it. You stir it so that the thing will not burn, because if you leave it for a long time, it will burn and it will also change the taste. As you are turning it, it will help the ogbonu to draw more and more. You can leave it at least to stay like 5 minutes before you can pour your ingredients. You can now pour your ingredients, which is mixed with meat, stockfish, dry fish, and some other fish that is added in it.